At Units Moving and Portable Storage, our robotic pickup and delivery system can place your storage container where our competitors can only dream of. The system features level loading and unloading. Units containers are kept level to the ground when being transferred to and from our delivery truck. This minimizes movement and shifting of your contents within your unit's container, something other delivery systems do not accomplish. The Robo delivery system is maneuvered by remote control, which gives the train operator absolute precision in navigating your unit container into tight spaces. Obstacles like wires or trees are not a problem, as the Robo unit can place the container with as little as 9 feet of overhead clearance. Short and narrow driveways, alleys, parking slabs, tight parking lots, and yards are just some of the locations the Robo delivery system can accommodate with ease, while many competitors cannot. Others need 15 foot in height, 13 foot in width. This isn't the case with the units. Additionally, units containers can easily be placed next to one another, minimizing placement and space requirements. Choose units for your moving and portable storage needs so you can benefit from the flexibility and precision that our Robo delivery system offers. Ensuring your pickups and deliveries are easy and your items are protected when moved is what Units Moving and Portable Storage does best.